Are you tired of trying countless skincare products that just don't seem to work? In today's video, I'll be diving deep into crafting the perfect skincare routine tailored just for you. But here is the twist. There is one crucial step that most people overlook, and it could be a game changer for your skin. Stick around to discover what it is and how it can transform your skincare journey forever. Hello Bella Beauties, and welcome back to your go-to channel for all things beauty, skincare and lifestyle. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and join our fabulous community. Today we are diving into the ultimate guide to choosing the perfect skincare routine tailored just for you. So make yourself comfortable and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about skin type. Knowing your skin type is crucial for selecting the right skincare products. There are 5 main skin types: dry, oily, combination, sensitive, and normal skin. Let's break them down. If you have excess shine and enlarged pores, you might have oily skin. If your skin feels tight and flaky, it's likely dry skin. When you have a mix of both, that's combination skin. If your skin reacts easily to products, then you have sensitive skin. Lucky for you, if your skin feels balanced, that is, it's not too oily or dry, that's a normal skin. Let me know in the comments below what your skin type is. Now let's talk about the essential steps in any skincare routine. Cleansing, toning, and moisturizing are the 3 pillars of skincare. Cleansing your skin removes dirt and impurities. Toning balances your skin's pH. And moisturizing keeps your skin hydrated. Remember, consistency is key. Yes, I know choosing the right products may be overwhelming with so many options out there. Look for products that cater for your skin concerns. If you have acne-prone skin, opt for products with salicylic acid. For dry skin, hyaluronic acid is your best friend. Hyaluronic, I don't know if that's how it is pronounced. Yeah, but you get what I'm saying. Always patch test new products to avoid any reactions. One important thing when it comes to skincare is to tailor your routine to fit your lifestyle. A simple morning routine might include a gentle cleanser, a hydrating serum, and here comes the twist. Remember from the beginning I said there is a crucial step that most people overlook, and here is that step. Sunscreen. Guys, never skip your sunscreen even on cloudy days. I'm telling you from experience, guys, sunscreen changed my skincare game. Once I included sunscreen into my skincare routine, my skin changed drastically. At night, you want to follow the same steps but without sunscreen. You don't use sunscreen in the night. Guys, very important. Please, we don't use sunscreen in the night, only during the day. So at night or in the evening, you want to follow the same steps but without your sunscreen. You cleanse your skin, you use your toner. You can add treatment for specific concerns like acne or aging using your retinol or a moisturizing night cream. Always listen to your skin and adjust your routine as needed. And there you have it, the ultimate skin guide to choosing the perfect skincare routine. Remember, skincare is personal, and what works for one person might not work for another. So be patient and enjoy the journey to healthier skin. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and join our fabulous community. Until next time, stay beautiful and inspired. Bye!